Let me be very clear. I market myself as the Black Love Doctor. And I'm proud of that. But I don't believe in race the way America sells it. Because biologically and scientifically, there is only one race, the human race. This isn't my opinion. This is fact. And if you don't like facts, this video isn't for you. Jane Elliott provided something decades ago that still makes people uncomfortable. She showed that race is a social invention, not a biological reality. Skin color is a genetically influenced trait, shaped by the environment. But it does not divide humanity into biological races. Eye color, that's genetics. Intelligence, that's opportunity and environment. But here's the real question. Who profits when we stay divided? Because division is expensive. It costs families, it costs marriages, it costs communities, it costs nations. You want power? Unity is power. You want wealth? Cooperation builds wealth. You want strong families? Stop teaching your kids they're enemies before they've even met. I work with couples, and I tell you something. Marriages don't fail because of race. They fail because of fear, ego, and bad leadership. So yes, I speak to Black love, but I believe in human dignity, human responsibility, and human unity. If that makes you uncomfortable, good. Growth always does.